Tahir's first trip to Devon House. Tahir bounced in his seat as the car turned onto Hope Road. Today was special. His mother was finally taking him to Devon House. He had heard about their famous ice cream from his cousins, and now it was his turn to try it. As they drove through the grand entrance, Tahir's mouth fell open. The majestic White House stood tall, surrounded by lush green lawns and towering palm trees. The air was filled with the sweet scent of freshly baked pastries, jerk chicken sizzling on a grill, and of course, the rich aroma of ice cream. People were everywhere, some lounging on colorful towels spread across the grass, others sitting at picnic tables chatting and laughing. Kids ran past him, their ice cream cones dripping as they tried to eat as fast as they could before the sun melted them. "Mama, me can't wait," Tahir said, tugging her hand as they joined the long line outside Devon House Ice Cream. He glanced at the other food shops, a bakery selling coconut drops and gizadas, another stall offering hot, flaky Devon House patties, and a juice bar where people sipped on cool, refreshing sorrel and June plum drinks. But right now his mind was only on ice cream. Finally, it was his turn. His eyes danced across the menu. Great nut, rum and raisin, Devon stout, cookies and cream, strawberry cheesecake, more on the best one, he declared. The man behind the counter chuckled. "You have to try Rocky River. Chocolate ice cream packed with marshmallow and cookie bits. Or maybe cookies and cream." Tahir thought hard, then grinned. "Me will try Rocky River." With a scoop, a swirl, and a careful press, the man placed 2 heaping scoops of creamy chocolate ice cream onto a freshly made golden brown waffle cone. The smell alone made Tahir's stomach rumble. He took a big excited lick. His tongue instantly met the rich, velvety chocolate, deep and sweet, perfectly balanced with the gooey surprise of soft marshmallow pieces and the crunchy bits of cookie mixed in. The flavors danced on his taste buds, and for a moment he just stood there, eyes closed, savoring the moment. Then he bit into the waffle cone, and his eyes widened even more. It was crisp and buttery, with a slight hint of vanilla, perfectly complementing the smooth, creamy ice cream. The contrast was magical. The cold, rich chocolate melting into the warm, crunchy cone. "Mama," he gasped, "me never ever I go forget this taste." Mama laughed, taking a bite of her own cone. "Me tell you, Devon House ice cream different." They found a shady spot under a big almond tree, watching kids play tag on the lawn. Nearby, a family lay on a bright red towel, sharing a box of pastries and laughing. A little girl with a strawberry cone ran past, her face smeared with pink, giggling as her father wiped it off. As Tahir took another lick, feeling the mix of soft, creamy chocolate and crispy cone against his tongue, he knew one thing for sure: nothing else would ever taste as good as this moment. Then, plop! A big chunk of his ice cream slid off and landed right on his shoe. "Aye!" Tahir yelped, staring at his fallen treasure. Mama handed him a napkin, chuckling. "That mean you have to eat faster next time." He sighed, but quickly took another bite before more could be lost. As they sat, soaking in the joy around them, Tahir grinned. "Mama, my belly full, but me still want a patty." Mama shook her head, smiling. "Next time," Tahir grinned. "But Mama, me ready now." "Tahir, listen to me," Mama said. "Enjoy your ice cream on this trip. We will get the patty on the next."